Welcome to Unigraphics Online Print Solutions, where you can take control of your print. If you have the time to watch this whole thing, you'll learn what online printing is, how online printing works, how it'll make your business better, why you should use this one over what you're doing now, and how you can get started. So what is online printing? Well, it's basically ordering your print online with just the click of a few buttons. It's super fast, super easy. There's several companies who are now using this system and embracing the process. And most print ordering now is being done online. It's just quicker and cheaper for everybody. So how does this online printing work? Well, most systems involve templates. It would be they business cards, letterhead, whatever. They have a base there, and you just type your information on top, choose your specs, your printer gets it. Other systems let you submit completed items, completed PDFs, ready to print stuff, give you a quote, and get you on your way. Now our system can do both of those things, so let me show you here how it works. Okay, so here is the Unigraphics online print ordering system. This is the screen you'll see after you log into your own account. Now this changes a little bit based on what kind of features you have set up. But for this one, you'll see we have lots of pre-done templates that you can pick from. Now these are templates that aren't just generic ones, these are set up specifically for your brand. And then also over here we have just submitting random print jobs. You can get a quote or you can just submit it and get a manual quote done. You can also see cards and other items that have been ordered in this list here. You can check the invoices and the status to tell you if they're completed in production or if they've been canceled. In the order history, you can actually run reports based on dates, users, etc. And we have some help videos as well. So just to show you how the system works, let's do a business card. So to do that, you click on the category business cards, and that brings up all the different templates you have set up within here. So we have just plain business cards with all options, such as adding pictures, front and back if you want bilingual cards. You can choose from different backs as well if you have several different ones. So we can set all that kind of stuff up for you. So anyway, let's just do a business card with all options available. You just click Personalize, and that'll load the design window. So this program is based in Flash, so that's the only software you'll actually need installed. So this is your design window. Within here, you can see you have your form you can fill out on the side. So we'll just start typing, put my name in here, and you can see as I'm doing this, it's showing up right here on your actual card. So you get live proofing as we're doing this. Let's put my phone number in. So we can have whatever fields you want on the side here. They're not locked to what we see here. And let's just purposely make a mistake here. I'm going to do Unigraphic instead of Unigraphics, just to show you something after. So we'll hit apply. That brings us to your second stage of design, which is your images and fonts. You can edit the design or the text you just put in place. So remember here I made the mistake. I can just click on it, hit S, and it fixes it right up, right like that. You don't have to redo anything. You can also go ahead and change fonts if you want here. So let's say that one's no good. Let's go with Futura Light. I want to make it just a little bit bigger. Just like that. Very simple to do. Now this is optional to have these features here. You can actually lock it up too if you have a brand or an image that you want to keep consistent across all your cards, all your brochures and stationery. No matter who orders, they'll be locked to a certain font, a certain size, a certain position, a certain color. It's all up to you. We can make it as free or as locked down as you like. It's a very customizable system. And we can also make it so we can add images here. So let's say I want to direct people to my Twitter account. I can just add my logo here, shrink it down a bit, type in my account, hit add text, and there you go. It pops it right in. Let's just change up this font again. It's a little bit big. To highlight it. Shrink it down to 6. Drag it into place. And there we go. So from here, all you do is you save your template and add to cart. And there you go. Now let's say you wanted to reorder this card later on. You can just go back into your same template, go to your templates menu here, pull up the one I just did, hit load, and there you go, ready to reorder. Just have to add that to the cart. And at this point, you can also make any changes if you have a different title or a different phone number. Changes can all be done right now. So now back in our shopping cart, you can see here that the item I've ordered. We have little tooltips as well that tell you what to do. I need to validate this, so I'll see a proof here. This will actually bring it up as a PDF. So this will be exactly what you're going to get printed. We don't send out printed samples because that would increase the cost of the entire thing, but you see the PDF and our machine's it'll reproduce this exactly as you see it. So you can choose your quantity, hit approve, and your order is now validated. You can enter an address here, or if you want, you can actually have static addresses. So say if you have a branch, their address information or shipping address is automatically filled out here. So there's nothing to do after validating your order. So let's just put in a dummy address for now and hit proceed. Then it brings you to your invoice screen. So it tells you how much it is, how much your quantity is, estimated shipping time, and that'll be based on whatever shipping service we use, be it Purolator, Canada Post, whatever. You can choose to have it there quicker if you like. All options that we can add for you. We can also remove this stuff. Leave special requests. We can actually put special fields here as well. If you have internal purchase order numbers or departments or anything you need to help track this order internally, we can set that up as well. So that's basically how our system works. There's a lot more to it. That's just a quick little demo. So if you are interested, please contact us and we'd love to show you a lot more. So how is this going to make your business better? Well, first of all, it's going to give you control of your print. You can control your design, your colors, your cost. Everything's going to be ordered from one place, one printer, which will give you consistency among all your printed materials. You can also order from one location for everyone, or you can give each branch the power to order their own printed materials and make your life easier. We also do items on demand, so we can either have pre-printed stock here, or we can have your files and just print them as needed. Along with that, we manage your print inventory. So if we have that pre-printed material, it's going to tell you how much you have left as you order. So once it hits a certain level, it'll let you know to get more. But most of all, this is going to save you time. There's no more back and forth with designers or customer service. It's open 24/7, so if you need to, you can log on at any time and place an order. No waiting on printer's hours or business hours. It's all up to you. So why should you use this system? Well, there's lots of reasons. You saw the live proofing. As you type, you see what you're doing. You get a private login, so only your templates show up for you only. You get an admin approval account if you want it, so you can still control what gets ordered. So if somebody from a branch orders something, you can take a look at it in your admin account and approve it or send it back for them to fix up. You can do variable text, which is an awesome feature. You take your customer information database, put it into a spreadsheet, and you can actually make variable prints with customized names, addresses, whatever you like there. It's really awesome. I'd love to show you that. Customer service, everybody says they have it, but if you work with us, we'll prove it. We have safe templates, like I said, quick reordering. You don't have to actually talk to anybody to get it done. Just go on there, pick it, order it, you're done. And custom requirements, we have great developers at this system. So if there's something you want to see in there, something that doesn't exist already, we'll talk to our developers, see what we can do. And we'll try and make it work for you. So if you've liked what you've seen so far and you want to learn more or get started, you can contact us by emailing us at sales@unigraphics.mb.ca or call us at 1-800-515-2877. We'd love to sit down with you and talk about your business and see if we can make this system a fit for you. Thank you for listening today, and we hope to talk to you soon.